Good morning. So, the first type of report is the information report. What is information report? It is meant to provide the readers with information or a given topic by supplying them with the facts. It is a type of report writing a present factual information about a particular topic. It aims to inform the reader by providing objective and unbiased details. So, information reports are common in various examples fields including education, business, and journalism. They help readers to understand complex topics and make informed decisions. The example of analytical report is first the research report, financial report, laboratory report, feasibility report, and case study. And many example of information report are included in the information report. Good morning. So, the first type of report is the information report. What is information report? It is meant to provide the readers with information or a given topic by supplying them with the facts. It is a type of report writing a present factual information about a particular topic. It aims to inform the reader by providing objective and unbiased details. So, information reports are common in various examples fields including education, business, and journalism. They help readers to understand complex topics and make informed decisions. The example of analytical report is first the research report, financial report, laboratory report, feasibility report, and case study. And many example of information report are included in the information report. The third is the operational report. What is operational report? It is about details that reflects current activity. Operational report is intended to support the day-to-day activities or to organize. It is a document that provides a detailed account of the activities, performances, and status of a specific operation or process. An example of an operational report is that the business leader used nearly week and a financial operational report. The fourth is the industry report. An industry report provides an overview of an industry, market, or section in a particular geographic area. So, industry report is a document that evaluates a given industry and the opportunities about companies who involved it. So, that's the industry report.
As a product reports, these are like your customer feedback report. Dito, they will tell you what people think about your new dishes or clothes, o kung ano yung business na minamanage mo, and if they buy them, and how much they be willing to pay. Makakatulong to para mag-decide if you should keep selling them or try something new. So number 6, in department reports, these are like your team reports. Dito they will track how well each team in your business is doing. The chef cooking delicious food? Is the sales team selling lots of clothes? This help you see who's doing great and you might need some extra support. Number 7 sa progress report. These are like your check-in reports for your projects. Dito naman, they will show you how much progress you made on building a new website or opening a new store. This helps you keep everything on track and make sure you're not feeling behind. Number 8, on the other hand, kapag sinabi namang internal reports, these are like your company secret reports, na kung saan binibigay niya yung mga tama, and figures about what's happening inside your business, like how much has been spent and how will your employees, or doing this help you make a smart decision about your business. Sa number 9, external reports, ito naman are like your public image reports. Dito, they will tell people outside your business about what you're doing, how successful you are, and how you're taking care of your customer. This helps you build trust and a good reputation as you are.
In vertical and lateral report, it is moving forward from the level to highest level. It is summarized from the different departments and units and also the present. So one of the example of vertical and lateral report is marketing business or the marketing products. Kung dito sa report na 'to, dito mo makikita kung yung pagtaas ng product mo is nag-e-exist pa ba or hindi na. And then dito mo rin makikita sa vertical and lateral report is gaano lang karaming produkto yung ipo-produce mo sa loob lang ng isang buwan or sa loob lang ng isang taon. As a research report, it is systematic reports or investigation report and also the study typically. One of the example of research report is thesis, case study, or the research paper. And we know some of us na nakagawa na rin talaga ng research paper, especially nung mga senior high school and high school. Tapos, for example is thesis, and then your topic is all about the teenage pregnancy. So, you have a different process. So, kailangan mong mag-conduct ng investigation and kailangan mo ng specific target audience na mailalagay mo doon sa research paper na yun. So, in this strategic report, it is refers to objectives, timelines, and budget. So, a lot of company was conducted a strategic report, especially the business company. So, dito sa strategy reports, malalaman mo kung ano ba dapat strategy yung i-conduct para yung products mo is ma-promote, para yung products mo is tangkilikin ng mga target audience mo. Hindi lang sa mga target audience mo, pati na rin sa mga nakakakita ng product mo. So, strategic report is they include a budget. How you budget can hold. Paano mo yung isang budget? Paano mo siya mababudget ng tama? For example is in marketing business, yung budget mo is kulang. So, and then binigyan ka ng is different tasks para do sa budget na yon, na paglalaanan ng budget. So, you need to make this report para malaman lang kung hanggang saan lang ba dapat paglaanan, kung ano lang ba dapat unahin ng budget na yon. When we say project report, it is a broadest and most universal report of all other different types of report. One of the example of project report is activity reports. Na kung saan makikita mo kung ano yung ginawa sa isang project na inilaunch. These statutory reports are reports required by law or regulation. Typically contains organization, financial performances, and a compliance with legal requirements. So, yun yung napapaloob sa statutory report.